Hi, it's Andre.mik here, and in today's video I'm gonna break down what is resonance and how to sing using resonance. Let's go. There are a lot of opinions about how to explain what is resonance in singing, but I will show you how I teach my students to understand what is resonance. I always say to my students that you have to sing not with your voice, but with resonance. And what do I mean? If you think that you sing with your voice, even when we speak, we use voice. And we speak very shortly. I mean, the words are very short. And in singing, we use very long phrases and we sing every word longer. So to sing it in a long way, you have to listen not to the voice, but to the resonance. Often when beginner singers are singing and they try to do some piano, to sing soft, the resonance disappears and the voice also disappears. I'll take a song Yesterday by Beatles as an example. Let's say we want to sing a phrase, why she had to go, I don't know, she wouldn't say. And students sing like this, why she, too loud. And I say, don't sing loud. Start soft, then do a little bit louder, and then do again soft, like why she. But instead, student stops resonance and does why she had to go, I don't know. And it's very difficult to sing like this because you always stop resonance and you are always stopping the breath. So let's make a simple exercise which will help you to understand how not to stop resonance and how to hear and to feel the resonance of your voice. So let's sing a long note. We should begin the note in a soft way, then do a little bit more, and then we finish like we are going again to zero. It's like when you are playing with the volume while listening to music. You start like this, zero, then a little bit more, and then you go back. And it's a very good example because you don't do like this. You start soft. It's my baby. So in singing, you have to do the same. When you start, I did less voice, but I still have resonance and I can hear the pitch of the note. Let's do it again a little bit higher. Like this. And we can do it a little bit higher. Try to do like this and you will hear that it's not easy at all to do like this, but it will help you to improve your singing. It is important to notice that when you start to sing softer at the end, the voice doesn't stop, the resonance doesn't stop. You still have to hear and to feel the resonance. Let's do a little bit higher. In this way, you can do this exercise by yourself. You can take any note and to sing and to hear the resonance, not your voice. When you start to sing your songs, you start to use consonants, vowels, in other words, you use words. And it is very difficult not to stop the resonance while pronouncing consonants. And that's why you need to pronounce consonants very shortly, very quickly, and very softly. Like, why she had to go, I don't know, she wouldn't say. Because if you pronounce it long and strong, then you stop the breath and you stop the resonance. Why she had to go, I don't know. Instead, had to go. I pronounce it like had to go, I don't know, she wouldn't say. And you need to pronounce your consonants like this when you sing songs. Another great exercise is to sing on humming. Just you can put your hand here and to feel the vibration. It is resonance of your voice. If it stops, it means you do a mistake and it means you stop resonance. I stopped. I stopped. You don't have to stop it. If you feel that there is no vibration here, it's wrong, do it again. And you can do any of our exercises using this humming and to control here that it's vibrating. When you sing the song, you can also sing it with humming, sometimes just to feel that you are not stopping the resonance. You can, in this way, you can control. Like, and you can hear that the resonance is not stopping. If it stops, you need also to stop and not to stop it. So if you feel that there is no resonance here, even for 1 millisecond, I recommend to stop and to do it better and not to stop the resonance here. Of course, when you sing with words, sometimes on some of the consonants, you will stop the resonance because it's just impossible not to stop it. Let's say, in why, she. In this moment when I pronounce sh, of course, the resonance stops. But this is normal. But here, had to go, I don't know, she wouldn't say. It almost never stops. When I was editing this video, I've noticed that I forgot to say goodbye. So I'm saying goodbye, thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful, subscribe. If you want a lesson with me, write on this email. Bye.